Hello everyone, what's up? Today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys on how to turn off comments on Instagram post. So without further delay, let's get this started. First of all, tap on this Instagram icon. And once Instagram is open, you'll be on your Instagram feed which look like this. So tap here now, tap on your profile and then you will land on your Instagram profile page. These are the posts that are posted by me. So now select any post that you want to turn off comments for. For example, I'm gonna go with this one. So now tap on these three dots right here on the top of your screen. Tap here. Now there are a lot of options will appear on the screen like copy link, share to, delete and stuff. So go tap on turn off commenting right here. Tap here. Now go back to your Instagram profile page and refresh your page. Now tap to check if the comment section are turned off or not for that post. Tap here, tap the same post, and now you will see that the comment section is off. There's no comment section. So it's confirmed that the comment section is off. So guys, this is how you turn off comment section so no one can be able to comment on your post. You can turn off comment section one by one on other posts too if you want by following the same process. Tap here, tap on the three dots and tap on turn off comments. Go back and refresh your Instagram profile page. Alright guys, this is it. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. See ya guys.